All right, guys, Coach Jeremy, we're gonna look at bands used for doing some stretching for the lat. I have 3 movements we're gonna do. First, we're gonna do is bring our hand through the band. We're gonna latch our band up to the rig. We're gonna go same foot, same hand, back step, just getting some range of motion here, getting a feel for that lat as we move through. You can step back and work some angles. Again, and so to get activation in that lat as well, I like to do a engage by pulling down, corkscrew through the elbow, shoulder, lats engaged, and then releasing. That's gonna activate the muscle, allow it to be ready to get stretched further. And then we hold 30, 45 to a minute and relax, work the opposite arm. Then we're gonna extend that stretch by taking a step back and then pivoting and opening, arms up overhead, allowing it to pull you through a range of motion, hanging out. And then third, getting into that rack position, hand through the band, allowing that elbow to come up, stepping forward, same foot, same hand, feeling that range of motion, letting it hang out. And boom, you're done. That's 3 movements for your lats.